Let me walk you through how to extract crime statistics datasets from gov.au live, whether you are a developer or not, with Minexa.ai in just minutes.
Get to the gov.au page where your crime data is already visible. Then let Minexa do its job.
Then click the Minexa icon up here. One click is all it takes. With Minexa open, hit I'm on the right page, and page analysis starts automatically for your crime statistics datasets. Already spotted, Minexa knows how this site loads more results and prepares to handle pagination. Now decide, just the list, or should Minexa click into each result and scrape its detail page? Go ahead with Continue, or choose Advanced if a form needs filling or a button clicking before results load. The highlighted area contains your data. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa finds every field and remembers it. Every field is detected automatically, like dataset titles, descriptions, and update dates. Select what matters, and this scraper runs forever on similar pages. If you are a developer, click API Request to get Python code where the scraper ID and settings are already filled in. Finalize the scraper by clicking Complete Configuration to confirm your settings. The navigation button is already detected. Adjust if needed, and continue to the next step.
Almost done. Connect Google Sheets if you want data pushed there automatically. Then hit Complete Setup.
Hit Run and the job starts straight away, efficiently scraping multiple crime data listings from gov.au.
This is your data, structured and consistent across every row and run, ready to use in spreadsheets, databases, or pipelines. Typical fields include dataset names, update dates, and summary descriptions, all organized neatly for analysis or reporting.
Hit Export, and every scraped item appears as its own row in the downloaded file for easy use. Any website is now a data source for anyone. Developers get a scraper ID they can reuse in any pipeline forever, at any volume, without retraining.